Good day, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, the main subject of the video is actually introduction to finding whale wallets, and you need to understand the way market has been going lately. If you've been watching the market, notice that due to the issue with Luna, that's Terra chain, a lot of investors have actually dumped a lot of their tokens, and it has actually caused a very negative impact on the market generally. So even at that doesn't stop people from trading, doesn't stop anyone from trading. So lately the best thing to do right now is not to give up. That's definitely not a solution. So what I noticed we should be doing is we need to start playing some good degenerate tokens. Lately I've not been chanced. I've been very busy, but I believe everyone can actually be a signal plug for themselves. You don't need to pay anyone for signals. So meanwhile, this video I'll be using this chance to guide you on how to go about making your own signals yourself by following others who has been good in the space. There's this saying that follow who know road. So that's exactly what I want to do now, so that you can create your signals yourself. You can know what to buy on your own. That's definitely what I'll be doing. So the main topic will be about how to track whale wallets. That's knowing what whales are buying. When the whale buys, before others start jumping into the particular project, you'll be one of the people that will buy before others start buying. Once the whale buys, you would have seen the alert notification, and you also buy the token as well. So now the goal is actually to find whales who bought a good project early. It's a large amount of money. You can also use this strategy if you are a degen type, be it a degen or be it mem trader. It depends, because most of these whales, they have premium information that we don't have. They have project owners who just come to their DM. They just send them, okay, we want to create so project, we would like you to be one of our key investors, this and that, and they will invest in the project. So once you see notification that so well has just bought something, then you just go and make, it's either you need to go and make research first. But me, I'm only advising you to do that. But in my own case, what I do is I just find, maybe for example, just like $10 or something, I'll just jump without doing any research. I'm not saying you should be that kind of person. I'm just telling you what I do. I'll just jump in with like $10 before every other people start buying, once I see the notification that the whale has bought. So the next thing I do is I now go to make research on the project. If I see that, okay, this person actually buy, because some whale can also be very bad at trading, so you can't just trust all of them. Some can buy top and sell bottom. So once you make your research and find out it's okay, if the entry is still cool to enter, you can now add more. But if it's not, you can wait for the trace, or you can still put in something you can afford to lose. So that's that part. Because, and now what I need to show you is actually how to track this whale wallet. I know a lot of you must have, if you've watched my videos in the past, if you've been following up with me on different videos, you notice that I made a video on how to use Dex Screener. So Dex Screener is one of the tools you need right now for this to work out, for you to track whale wallets. So for you to track whale wallets now, we need to go to Dex Screener. Let's go to Dex Screener. Dex Screener. So this is it. I know a lot of you, your Dex Screener might not look like mine. Let me just change it to the way you are used to. So this is how most of you knows Dex Screener to look like. So once you see your Dex Screener like this is how it looks like. We have different tokens on Dex Screener. Just go to explore. Once you go to explore, you see different chains on Dex Screener. So I came across a Twitter thread, on Twitter. So I'll be using the same token I saw on the thread, which is STG. It's an Avalanche token on Avalanche blockchain. So the name is actually STG. So let's use it for the purpose of this video tutorial. So let's click on, because it actually did well a few weeks. It started, it was launched. So this is it. So what we need to do is, it was launched 1 month 29 days ago. So I believe it's too old. I'm just using it for the purpose of the tutorial, but in my opinion, if you are trading degen, this is too old for you to ape in, because a lot of people have made profit from it already. It will be resting at this moment, maybe probably even dump. So it's better to look out for projects that just launched not long, then you find whales buying them. So for now, I'll be using this, and so now let's look out for whales in this project. So what you do now is you click here, click on show charts and trading history. Once you click on this, it will take you to where the charts are. So you can see, you can even see from here, you can see it's just sell that is happening now. Mostly sell, because they've already taken most of the profits, and now it's selling momentum that is actually taking over the market for this token. So you click on this filter option beside type, so that, because what we are looking out for is not per JIT, we are looking out for buyers. Look for buy. So these are the buys. So these are the buys between May 18. All the buy that have actually take place on this token. You can use a desktop screen so that you can see everything full. But since I'm using a mobile phone to record this video, to avoid it being too tiny, I'll be using this mobile screen, normal mobile screen. So now you click on this USD part as well. Click on the filter beside the USD here. Click on the filter. So now we want a minimum of $20,000. We are not looking out for crayfish. We are looking out for whales, guys. Yeah, when I say whales, we are looking for real money. Though for degens, since somebody putting in $20,000 for degen, that's a very cool money, because it's only few people that can just close their eyes and play such kind of amount on tokens you don't even know if it will pump or not. So that's cool. You don't need to put maximum amount. Just put the 20,000 minimum amount. Let's go. This is it. You can see people buying. USD is what you need to watch out for. Don't look out for the STG. This is just quantity of the tokens. So let's watch out for STG. So let's just go with the 19,999. These are the ones that actually traded lately, May 14th, 10th, and 4th. So let's go. Let me use they used USDC, so that's why you are seeing USD is showing 19,000. So USDC is 20,000 USDC because of the 0 point negative. So now let me click on one of the transaction hash, that's transaction reference. So let's click on one so that it will take us to where the wallet is, for us to view the wallet that made that transaction. So this is the wallet. The reason why you are seeing red is because it's Avalanche blockchain. Their logo is red, their figures are red. So now we click on this, copy. Once I copy right now, I've copied it. You can all see how I copied the address. That's the wallet they used to buy. 2 is what they bought, but what we are interested in is the wallet which bought, not what the tokens they buy. So you need to click that. So for you to now track the wallet, to know what has taken place in the wallet, because in this cryptocurrency space, you need to just be smart, and information is the most important thing you need. Cryptocurrency is one of the best things that can actually make you cool money if you are smart. Forget real estate is actually making a lot of money. Real estate is making guys rich. But cryptocurrency is the one that will make you cool money within the comfort of your home. You don't need to go anywhere. You make your money. But real estate, you need to go out there. You need to make some marketing and some other things. It's actually cool as well. It's good to diversify your funds. But I'm just telling you this because cryptocurrency right now is something we are very, very early in. So let's just work more on it to take advantage of the situation. So right now, once you copy this wallet address, what do you now do? You go to let's go for apeboard. We have different sites where you can track wallet. Or our apeboard, I feel it's easier and it's much more well explained. The features are the AI, UI is very friendly. So this is it. All you just need to do is click on this box where it says enter a wallet. Just paste the wallet address there, then click the arrow to view the wallet. So you can see the net worth of the wallet right now is 22,701. That's the net worth of the wallet. So you can check the history of the wallet. That's the transactions that have taken place in the wallet. The person, he has paid a total gas fee of 93,844. That means maybe he is more of an Ethereum trader. So you can see these are the transactions he has actually done in this wallet, with this wallet. So now these are the transactions in his wallet. You can check through the wallet. So to avoid wasting much time on the video, I won't be going through each wallet. So what you just need to do is just click anyone. But most important thing is you've already known his wallet address. That's what I need most right now. The wallet is the most important thing. You can actually use the banks as well. The banks, thebank.com. You can also use it to track wallets. Just come to more, click here, paste the address here, paste, click on search, click this. So you can see this is his wallet. Click on the arrow beside wallet. It will show you everything he is holding in the wallet. You can see them, USDC. For example, now this Harambe, you don't know what it's about. You can just go and make research on the token. What type of token is it? Why did he buy this token? What you can go and make your research on them. You can see Safe Moon and other things in his wallet. You can just go and make your research on those tokens. But now you already know what he is holding, but you don't know what he will be buying next. You don't know what the whale is buying next. So how do you know that? It will be very strenuous and stressful for you to be coming every time to come and check what is in his wallet. So now you can set notification for every trade he make in his wallet. So how do you do that? I have a Telegram bot that you can use for that. It is a free bot. You don't need to pay, you don't need anything. All you need to do is just use the bot. It will always send you notification once the whale makes a transaction in his wallet. You see, this is the particular whale I've been tracking for a while. So that's the transactions he has been doing. That's what you're seeing right here. So now what you just need to do is click on start. Let's go back to the beginning. Just click on start, just as it's seen here. Just click start. Once you click on start, it will ask you, just assume this is where you're starting from. All you need to do is add wallet. It will now ask you the network you want to use. Are you using the 5 networks available, like ETH, BSC, Phantom, Polygon, AVAX? If you don't want all of them, maybe you want to only be trading BSC only, you can just clear the rest and leave BSC only. But if you want alert for all, notification for all the chains, you can actually keep for all the trade. So what you do now is, after you've picked all the chains you want, then you can now paste the wallet address. This is the wallet address. I've pasted the wallet address. Okay, it says it doesn't understand. So once I click this, let me go to menu once again. Let me edit the wallet I have earlier. Edit wallet. Edit wallet. Okay, sorry. I need to add wallet. Okay, let me edit the previous wallet. I'll fix that later. But for the purpose of this tutorial, to avoid wasting time, let me edit wallet. Then what I'll do is add wallet. I'm adding wallet. Paste wallet. Paste. Oops, what's wrong with this bot? Okay, let me just edit wallet. Edit. Click on edit. So what I'll do now, I'll paste this wallet. Okay, I'm sorry, let me just delete the wallet. Let me remove the wallet totally. Remove wallet. Since I've removed the wallet now, let me add new wallet. Add wallet. Then let me paste. Okay, sorry, I'm the one that I've been making mistake. I was supposed to click on done. This is it. I'm supposed to click on done. I'll click on done now. So I will enter address to watch. The address I want to watch. Paste address, and I'll paste. So you can see, after pasting the address, it will now ask me the name I want to use for the address. It said enter label. I can just say whale avalanche. You can name it anything of your choice. So you can see any transaction it does now, I'll be seeing notification for it. The reason why it's better to name it is because once you see any notification, you will know which of the whale, because you already know their names, the name you used for them. So you know the whale that does make transaction and what the wallet you need to go and watch out for. You just go and make search on the banks or apeboard to check what exactly did he buy at that moment. Once you check it, you see the token. It's either you go and buy or you go and make your research on what the person actually bought. So I'll be in my next video, I'll be dropping a video on how to do your own research, because in this cryptocurrency space, the most important thing is knowing what to buy and knowing if it is the right thing you're supposed to buy. Because there is something in this crypto space whereby you can know what to buy, but on getting to the market, you now realize that there are a lot of products with the same name, a lot of projects with the same name. Then you will not get confused. So that is where doing your own research comes in. Okay, you know the token you are buying exactly, you know the contract address, you know where it is trading, you know the network, you know the blockchain. So you need to know that. So I'll be dropping a video on that. That will be my next video as well. So just watch out for that. So this is how to go about tracking the whale wallet. So once you track the whale wallet, like anytime you see notification, you can just go and check what did this whale buy. Please, as I said earlier, there are whales that buy top and sell bottom. So you need to take notes. You need to be careful. So it's not just buying everything you see them buy. Do your own research. Always do that, please. Just be patient. In my next video, you will see the video on how to do your own research, and also the next one will be on what to watch out for in Luna and how to go about Luna. So just watch out for my next video. Thank you very much for watching always. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And if you are just a new viewer as well, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Also like and share these videos with your family and friends, loved ones, and everybody whom there are lots of people that need this video and they don't even know they need it yet. But once you share with them, they will be so happy to watch. So please don't hesitate to do that. So thank you very much for always watching my videos. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Also, sorry, I forgot. Don't forget, in the video description section, I'll be dropping the link for the tracking bot, for you to also use the tracking bot to track the whale wallet. Yeah. So thank you very much. Bye guys.